welcome to SAR Learning Center. In this video, I am going to explain the how to write an assembly language program to convert BCD data into binary form by using multiplication method. In my previous video, I explained the same concept in repetitive addition method. This video link is available in description. In this 8086 microprocessor, the binary data is in a form of hexadecimal format. Before write a program, I want to explain this concept with example. In this example, our input BCD data is number 32. This is our input BCD data. This number is 32. Here, the 3 is the tens digit and 2 is the ones digit, that is a units digit. In number BCD operation, the tens digit number is 3 and is multiplied by 10, the value becomes 30. The result value becomes 30. The unit digits number is 2. Okay, it is multiplied by 1, the answer is 2. Now adding these two results, the answer becomes 32. It is a normal operation in a binary conversion. The tens digit value is multiplied by 0a. Why here we are going to multiply it by 0a? The tens digit value, that is a 10 value, is a decimal number. The equivalent hexadecimal value becomes 0a because here we are going to represent the number in binary form. In a 8086 microprocessor, the binary number can be represented in a form of hexadecimal number. That's why here we are going to multiply this 3 value into 0a. Okay, clear? What is the result of this 3 into 0a value? The result of 3 into 0a value is 1e. How we are going to find this 1e? 3 into 10. Actually this number is 10. It's a hexadecimal number representation. This value becomes 0a. 10. 3 into 10, this is 30. This is a decimal number format. How we are going to convert this into hexadecimal number? 16. The remainder is 14 and quotient is 1. The answer becomes 114. In a hexadecimal number, this 14 value becomes 1e. That's why the result value becomes 1e. Then the unit digits number is multiplied by 1. The answer is 2. Okay. Now we are going to add this two number. What is the result? 1e, that is a 1e plus 2. What is the result? E value is equal to 14 plus 2, that value becomes 16. What is the equivalent hexadecimal number? The equivalent hexadecimal number is 10. That's why that means 15 is the EF and 16 is value is equal to 10. That's why here we are going to write the value becomes 0 here and 1 value becomes 1 here. 1 plus 1 value becomes 2. The result of this BCD to binary conversion is number 20 is in a form of binary, that is in a form of hexadecimal number. The equivalent binary number is 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. This is the binary number of this 32 BCD number. Okay, that 32 BCD number. Okay, clear? In programming, one more step to perform because of the tens digit value is available in the higher nipple. The higher nipple means number 32. This 2 is in a lower nipple. The 3 is in a higher nipple. 3 is in a higher nipple. How we are going to take into this consideration of the lower nipple? Here we are going to perform the masking operation. How we are going to perform the masking operation? First, look at here. The 32, this is our input data. This input data is first loaded into the AL register of the 8086 microprocessor. Then the same data can be copied into the DL register. Because of here we are going to perform the higher nipple and lower nipple operation can be performed in a separate manner because of here the number tens digit value is multiplied by 10 and unit digits value is multiplied by 1. That's why the 32 value is copy of AL and DL register. Here we are first step. What is the first step? Here the DL register is containing the 32 value. Here we are going to perform the upper nipple masking. What is meant by upper nipple masking? This value can be ANDed and here we are going to perform the ANDed with 0f value. How we are going to perform? 3, 2. This equivalent binary number 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, then 0F. The value becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the result? The value becomes 0 because of here we are going to perform the ANDed operation. 0, AND gate operation. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, the result is 0, 2. Okay, here we are going to perform the upper nipple masking. Here the 3 value is hiding. The result value becomes 0, 2, the 3 value 32, the 3 is absent, the 2 is only present. This is the upper nipple masking. Similarly, here going to perform the, okay, this result is now storing in DL register. Now this result can be stored in DL register. Because of this DL registers only, we are going to perform this ANDed operation. Next, 32. Okay, this 32 data is available in AL register. Now we are going to perform the lower nipple masking. Okay, lower nipple masking, we are going to hide the number 2. Okay, how we are going to hide the number 2? Number 32, the equivalent binary number is 0011 0010. Here we are going to perform the lower nipple masking. That's why number is ANDed with F0. What is F? F means 15, 41 and 40. ANDed operation here similarly we are going to perform 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 sorry 0 0. The result is 3 0. This value can be stored in AL register, but this is the number 2 is absent here. The number 2 is absent here. Okay, this is not enough to perform the operation because of this number 3 is available in this higher nipple. Okay, that's why this higher nipple value is moved into the lower nipple. How the higher nipple value is moved into the lower nipple? Here we are going to perform the right rotation, ROR. This is the instruction of right rotation. In this right rotation, how many bits we are going to rotate? 4 bit. If we are rotating the right direction in 4 bit, the 3 values move to here, the 0 is moved to here. Okay, like that the number is moving. Okay, this number is come here and this number is come to here and this number is come here and this number is come and this number is here and this number is here and this number is here. Like that the operation can be performed. The result is 0 3. It is also available in AL register. After that only, okay, the AL register now containing the value of 0 3. This 0 3 value is multiplied with this 0A of the hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number, the answer is 1E. The 1E value is also available in AL register. Okay, after that this 2 value is present in DL register, then AL plus DL, the answer value becomes 2 0. The answer value becomes 2 0. Now the 0A value is also stored in one of the register. The register value is DH. Okay, this DH register can be stored the value of 0A. Here the right rotation operation can be performed. The 4 value is also can be stored in CL register. The 4 value is also stored in CL register because of here we are going to perform the 4-bit right rotation can be performed. Okay, like that we are going to find the binary number from the BCD number. Now I am going to explain this concept by using the 8086 simulator. Where is our program? This is our program. What is the first step of this program? The first step of the program is load the address of the data in BX register. This BX register, okay, is storing the address of the memory location. Which location? Our input data. Our input data means our BCD data is available. That data is available in this particular memory location. This memory location address is then moved into the AL register by using the instruction of move AL comma the square bracket of BS. Here the indirect addressing modes are used here. Okay, now the AL data is 32. The 32 value is the 32 value is available in AL register. Next, this AL register value is moved into the DL register. This is the copy of the data. AL register is also contain the value of 32 and the DL register is also contain the value of the 32. Next, and DL comma 0FH. Here we are going to perform the upper nipple masking. What is the upper nipple masking? The 3 is hiding. 2 only is present after this ANDed operation. Here we are going to perform the A and D. This is the ANDed operation of DL comma 0FH. Okay. Next, lower nipple masking. The lower nipple masking we are going to perform AND of AL comma F0H. Okay, F0H. In programming, here we are including one more 0 in a front. Okay, that is no problem. Okay, AL. What is the result? In this result, only 30 is available. Only 30 is available. 2 is a masking. Okay, what is the next step? The 10th digit value is 3. Now, this is also available in higher nipple value. Now, we are moving this higher nipple value into lower nipple. How we are moving? Here, 4-bit rotation can be performed. Move CL comma 4. Okay, the CL comma 4 means here the 4 is indicating the 4 rotation. After that, we are going to rotate ROR, right rotation of AL comma CL. The CL value become 4, the AL value become 30. That means our is the after the lower nipple masking, the data can be stored in AL register. After this rotation, what is going to perform? The AL register can be storing the value of 3 only. Okay, that means higher nipple value is moved into the lower nipple. After that, move DH comma 0AH. What is the meaning? Set multiplier as a 0AH because of the 10th digit value is multiplied by the 0A. That's why the 0A value can be stored in DH register. Then MULDH. That means this DH value is multiplied by the AL register's value. The result can be stored in AL register. What is the result now available in AL register? The AL register is contain the value of 1E. Okay, 1E is a result because of 3 is multiplied by the 10. What is the result? That value becomes 30. The 30 equivalent hexadecimal number, that is a binary number, is 1E. The value can be stored in AL register. After that, we are going to perform in the addition of AL comma DL. Okay, the AL value become 1E, the DL value become 2. Okay, this is the upper nipple masking. After the upper nipple masking, 2 only is present in DL register. Now we are going to perform the addition of this 2 value. What is the result? 1E plus 2, the result value becomes 20. The 20 value can be stored in AL register. After this, AL register value is our output value of our binary data. Okay, this binary data is moved into the particular memory location. The particular memory location address is 1101H. This is our program. Now I am going to explain this program by using our emulator. Before that, I am going to show the emulate our result. There is no error. After that, I am showing the memory. In this memory location, 1100 is our memory location. In this memory location, we are going to store the value of 32. Okay, now update. Next, I am going to run this program step by step. What is the first step? 1100. This is the address can be moved into the BX register. After this particular memory location, 1100 value is containing the value of 32. This 32 value is moved into the AL register. Okay, here look at here. This is the 32. Now same 32 value is copied into the DL. Look at here. This copy into the DL. Then we are going to perform the AND operation of, that is a upper nipple masking. After this upper nipple masking, ANDed operation can be performed here. The DL register value becomes 0, 2. That 3 is hiding. Then the higher nipple masking can be performed in AL register. That is the lower nipple masking can be performed in AL register. After this line, the number becomes 30. The 2 value become hiding. Then this 3 value is moved into the lower nipple. How we are going to move? We are going to rotate the 4 rotation. This 4 values move into the CL register. After that, the rotation of the 4 digit, the result value becomes 30 in AL register. Then we are going to load the DH register value become 0A because the 10th digit value is multiplied by the 0A. That's why that value can be stored in DH register. After that, we are going to multiply it with this AL register value. Okay, the result becomes 1A. After the multiplication, the result value becomes 1A. It is available in AL register. Then we are going to addition of AL and DL. What is the result? 1E plus 2. That value becomes 20. The 20 value is present in AL register. After that one, this AL register value is moved into the particular memory location. The memory location address is BX plus 1. That means 1100 plus 1. This is equal to 1101. This memory location. Look at here. This is the 1101 memory location. Now we are going to execute. The result value becomes 20. This is the BCD data. This is the binary number of this BCD data. This is the represented in hexadecimal number. Okay, clear? This is the concept of conversion of BCD to binary conversion by using the 8086 assembly language program. Okay, thank you.